Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly we can enter the settings and now we have to find apps and notifications. Now let's let's scroll down and tap on Special App Access, and here we've got Install Unknown Apps, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed or allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it, and for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because sometimes the third-party apps weren't verified by the developer, so your phone and personal data are actually more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. So take it under the consideration, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is from now on allowed to install some content. And of course it will work with all other apps, so with the Gmail, the Drive, the files by Google, whatever, it will be on this list. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want, just tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see it is not allowed. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.